Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. We're seeing quite a nice bounce across the board on altcoins, and there's some signals indicating that we are just getting started. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we're going to start off over on Crypto Twitter. You can follow me at 333maxi. I say double bottom on the previous cycle high on total crypto market cap. Big bounce incoming. And yes, indeed, we have seen this big bounce, and it's playing out right now. The question is, how high do we go from here? I think that this is a very, very clear signal that altcoin season is here. And as long as Bitcoin decides to play nicely here, which I do believe it will, based on some signals we'll be going over shortly, I think we're in for quite a nice move to the upside for Pepe and other altcoins across the board. Guys, if you think that we are getting ready to see an absolutely massive altcoin season, then I recommend you check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-on bonus, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. Guys, it is a limited time offer, so even if you don't want to trade right now and you want to trade in a year from now, I still recommend you sign up right now so that you're grandfathered into that 15% off all trading fees. So let's take a look at Pepe here. Pepe is sitting at rank 23, up a beautiful 16% in the past 7 days, and a whopping 13% in the past 24 hours. We are sitting at a 8.62 billion with a capital B market cap with a very beautiful 1.44 billion 24-hour volume. I love seeing these big 24-hour volume ratios versus market cap, especially on days when we're making moves to the upside. It shows that this is a strong coin. And usually a tactic I like to use when I'm looking for smaller coins, and if I'm trying to make a quick flip, a quick 10x or something like that, it's pretty difficult to do that. But I look for volume versus the market cap. If 24-hour volume has a high ratio, say it's 50% of the total market cap, then I say, well, this coin is probably getting ready to go to the upside. High 24-hour volume versus market cap shows strength in my mind, especially when the coin is making moves to the upside. So let's look at Pepe here, right, guys? So I want to be very clear with what I'm seeing, all right? Right now, we are looking at the daily time frame. This still looks a little bit bearish, okay? I know you weren't expecting that, but I want to say I think that Bitcoin is going to carry us further here. I think that Bitcoin is going to be the savior of Pepe and the savior of altcoins right now, because it is signaling that we are getting a nice higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. It's looking pretty good. And I will say that if you were to look at Pepe underneath a microscope and in a vacuum, it's still in a very peculiar, ambiguous situation, but I think we need to wait for this to play out. If we see a daily candle closure above, say, 402165, then I would say, okay, now that is pure confirmation that we're getting ready to make a move to the upside, as long as it's not a bull trap. And I think that right now, we're seeing quite a significant move across the board for Bitcoin and altcoins that I kind of don't think that we're going to see a bull trap. We just need to be trading where we're at right now for Bitcoin to see Pepe reclaim this level and show that it's a good signal to buy. So when you look at the entire market right now, guys, a Bitcoin trading at $104,434. Very, very nice. You know, it was just a week or so ago when we wicked all the way down to $89,000, my friends. In crypto and in Bitcoin, it is not uncommon to see this, especially in phase 3 of the bull market in the 4-year cycle. You see the third phase of the bull market is by far the most volatile, the most trappy, and can offer the most gains. It's lots of confusion, but if you can sift your way through it all, you can figure out that there is big money to be made. Bitcoin dominance trading at 57.04%. When you exclude stablecoins, we are just barely at about 59%. Seeing a little bit of a drawdown here, but guys, I do think that when Bitcoin starts to trade sideways around where we're at right now, and I don't really think that Bitcoin's going to trade sideways right now. I think we're looking at probably mid-February to see where we're going to probably start to stall out at, in my opinion. I think we're getting ready to see some big moves here. I do think that Bitcoin, I've looked at that. Bitcoin dominance just dropped by 0.5%. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. It's lagging a little bit because we're seeing so much volatility across the board. But when you look at it, you can see we are breaking down right now. And right now, ooh, baby, it looks like it wants to dump. Bitcoin dominance wants to dump, and you guys know when Bitcoin dominance dumps, that sends Pepe and the altcoins to the moon, guys. And if you look at this, you know, specifically on Market Cypher, red money flow, the money's coming out. You see this. I love seeing that. And yeah, of course, you see this on the downside, but to the upside is if would be a good opportunity to long. But when you see money flow coming out, I'm gonna put the strength in to the downside. It's just you see a bunch of different things. You need to weigh what's the probability, how many are stacking on this side and how many are stacking on that side. In my opinion, I think we're getting ready specifically on Market Cypher to see a big dumpola for Bitcoin dominance, which is exactly what we want to see. And this does look like it wants to spill over. It wicked down, but it got a little bit bought up. But I do expect this to play out and continue to break down here. But guys, I do want to take a quick look at Bitcoin because right now, Bitcoin is trading at, we're going to go to, I mean, we don't even need to do that. Look at this. All right, I want to show you this. We are starting to get a beautiful, beautiful W right here. And, you know, you can't just base all your trading off of formations. You can't do that. I like to use it as a kind of like a landmark of, okay, this is probably what the general market sentiment is. This is what the traders are looking at. This is what they think is going to happen. But I will be honest with you guys, this W formation looks pretty good, especially because this is officially a higher high. We're getting ready to make a breakout here, guys, and I do believe that since we saw daily candle closures above 102,000 and 103,000, we're getting set up to test the previous high about 108,000, and I do think that we are probably going to break above it, guys. I really do. Looks very, very bullish on Market Cypher. You have that trajectory as well as the money flow starting to curve up. You see the momentum wave coming up on the daily. It looks quite nice, and I do expect if Bitcoin just stays right here, it is going to bleed over into Pepe, and Pepe is going to make that similar W formation. We're probably going to be breaking new all-time highs for Pepe as well. It's a very, very exciting time, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and go follow me at 333blackc on Twitter and Instagram. Check out that Blowfin link down below. 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. Take advantage of that before that limited time offer is gone. Let me know in the comment section below. Can it really be this bullish? Can it really be this bullish? You know, Crypto Kip and I were talking today, and we were joking around. He said that he's so bullish that he's bearish. And I thought about that when we laughed about it, because when it comes to market sentiment, when you're so certain of something, usually you need to be looking in the other direction. If everyone's thinking this way, can it really be? Can it really happen? And I'll say sometimes, just sometimes, yes, it can. Everyone can be bullish, and the market can go up. It's very, very possible. And I do think that when you look at the fundamentals, you look at the technicals on Bitcoin, it's probably going to bring Pepe and all the other altcoins up with it right now. But that's all I got for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that we are going up right now, or do you think this is a big trap for the bulls and it's going to be smacking us down and we're going to be, the shorts are going to be printing? I'm very curious. I'll see you next one, guys. Bye.